Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at our tool Face Curves. Now this is located under the Insert group in the Design tab. Face Curves is used to allow you to sketch geometry directly on solids. Notice that every time I click, a point is placed on the model, and finishing it will complete that line segment. So I can use this to go through and color sections of the model that we might want to look at. But I can do more than just split faces with this tool. I can go through and snap it to edges on the model that I might want to work with. And if I go through and complete this back to the other side, we can see that I have segmented the model in half. And to complete a line, you can hit Enter. Now we can take all of the surfaces I've created, and I can then pull them one way or the next to either add geometry or subtract it from the model. Now I can also use this to sketch on spline faces or sketch on cylindrical ones. Here we might want to close off an area and extend this outwards. So I hope you've seen how face curves can be used to sketch directly on a model that you're working with. Thank you very much for watching.